welcome back to your channel Grammar Genius, and today we are diving in the world of English grammar. In this video we will be exploring the fundamental tenses that adds dynamic touch to our language, the present progressive tense, also known as the present continuous tense. What exactly is the present progressive tense? Simply put, it's a verb form that expresses actions happening at the moment of speaking or actions in progress. It adds a layer of immediacy to our language, allowing us to describe ongoing events in real time. Here it is, the sentence structure: first upright subject, verb, then present. For example, I am studying. Example, I am teaching. Now let's explore the various ways we can use the present progressive tense in our daily communication. Through following ways we can use present progressive tense. Now let's take a look on some examples. For example, I'm working on computer. Second example, you can see I'm writing a letter. These both sentences are ongoing actions. I'm feeling sick. You can see second example, a bird is flying in the sky. I'm going beach tonight. She is always interrupting me again and again. The climate is getting warmer. In conclusion, the present progressive tense is a versatile tool in our linguistic toolbox, allowing us to convey action in motion and capture the sense of the now. I hope this video has been helpful in shed light on the present progressive tense. If you have any question or want to see more grammar-related content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video.